My name is Corey Barker, and I'm the Community Sales Manager at Zest.
Hi, my name is Paxton Wiley, and I'm a Sales Associate for Trumark Homes.
The biggest selling points for Zest is the variety. You have 9 floor plans, so really something for everyone. You go 1 to 5 bedrooms potentially. So whereas it's the single person living for the first home, whether it's the new family, whether it's the established family that's moving from a smaller apartment to their first townhome. There's just a ton of variety here. It's someone who likes being by a main park that's adjacent to it, someone who likes being in like a lively area like a downtown Covina. I think that's the right buyer for this community.
Then we also have our Rose True Flex plans. We have a Plan 1 and a Plan 2. What's unique about these and what makes them flex is that you have 2 different options on the first floor and 3 on the second and third floor. So how you choose to arrange that and what you need and how you want to live. On our Plan 1 you can have 1 to 4 bedrooms, and in our Plan 2 you can have 1 to 5.
So what makes Zest so great to live is the location. We're located in the heart of LA County, close to the 210 freeway, the 10 freeway, close to downtown Covina. There's walking distance from here. It's like a 5-minute walk. That is a very cool area that has a lot of bars and restaurants, a lot of entertainment like theaters and such like that, so that's really nice.
We have our True Flex homes, which are going to be 3-story townhomes with an array of different floor plans that you can arrange to be 1 to 4 or 1 to 5 bedrooms. So you have so many different options depending on what you are looking for.